Guys, for us to use ChatGPT to create an AI voiceover for our story, you need to head over to ChatGPT. So let's say, for instance, you want to create a story, have your image or your video, and you just need an AI voice to voice over your video or your image. So you can also use ChatGPT. Apart from 11 Labs and other popular text to speech tools, you can also use ChatGPT to convert your text to speech. So that's what I'll be showing you guys in this video. So what you have to do is that I'm currently accessing ChatGPT from my mobile phone, and I have the app installed already on my mobile phone. So you can access ChatGPT both on the web or as a mobile app. So GPT has gone ahead to give me the full story I want. Is an adventurous story. So, and I've already generated the image. What we are focused on this video is how we can get our text prompt and convert it to an AI voice. I've gotten your story. For you to get your text prompt, which is going to be converted to speech, on that same chat, just go ahead and ask ChatGPT that you should rewrite the text above, that's the story already here, into a narration because I want to convert it to a speech. So you have to also add that make it sound more natural, as if a human reads it. So type in this text prompt. I'm going to tap on send. So guys, you can see ChatGPT have already given me a narrator's, like the narrator's script. You can see it's the narration script. What we have to do next for us to then use ChatGPT to convert our text to a speech, like this narrator's text to a speech, is that just scroll down. You can see, just scroll down and you can see some option that looks like a volume symbol. Just tap on it, start reading your text prompt. So it's going to start reading from the beginning, like from this very place, to start reading it up to the very end. But let me play it so that you guys are going to hear this particular voice.
Here's a rewritten version of your story. The Compass of the Forgotten Isles, in a natural spoken narration style, perfect for voiceover or storytelling on YouTube or video. Narration script. The Compass.
So guys, first of all, you must notice that this voice is natural and realistic. So you can also change this voice that is here in case you are not okay with this particular voice. Let's close this one first, then at this 3 lines here, or these 2 lines, tap on it and go to your profile. This is where your profile is. You just tap on that and then you're going to see options that comes out. You can see where it writes voice, so tap on voice and then this is the place you're going to like make some edits concerning the speech. You can see where it writes voice. This is the voice that's there. So want to like explore other voices, just tap on it and you can see,
hi, glad to meet you. I think we're going to
see that this abo is kind of easygoing and versatile. You can see it, so you can just switch like swipe to the left.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going?
This is the voice for the second person. You can just swipe here.
Hi there, nice to meet you.
This is a female voice, so you can still swipe through the other voice and like listen to the voices and know the one that kind of suits you, whether you want a female voice or a male voice. So guys, I feel I like this particular one, this very one. So once you have already chosen the one you like, just tap on done. Make sure that is the name that is appearing there. Just tap on done. This means you have selected this particular voice. You can see it right here. This has been selected. This particular voice is a male voice. Back again to your that same chat that you had the text narration. Just scroll down to the last part and you can see this place that it writes this icon. That's where once you tap on it.
Absolutely, from Nanya. Here's a rewritten version of your story, The Compass of the Forgotten Isles, in a natural...
You can see how this particular voice that you have just chosen, how it sounds and how it's actually reading our script. So you can see that we have already chosen the voice we need. But right now, like, it will just be playing it will just be reading it out, but we cannot actually like download this voice. So an easy way you can actually like get hold of this voice is by you recording this voice. Hope you get, is by you recording this voice. So you might have a screen recorder. Like currently what I'm using to screen record this tutorial is my inbuilt screen recorder in my phone. If you use Infinix Smart 8, you would know that there's a screen recorder there. So this is it right here. This is the screen recorder I usually use for my tutorials. So in case you don't have a phone that has that inbuilt screen recorder, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So in Google Play Store, we're going to search for screen recorder. So just download any screen recorder of your choice. Just download any screen recorder. I think I've actually used this particular screen recorder, this very one. I've used it and it's okay. So just download the screen recorder. But since I'm using my inbuilt phone screen recorder, I'll not be downloading this, but you can still try it out because it worked. So once you have downloaded the screen recorder, start recording your screen just like how I am recording my screen with ChatGPT. So once you go back to that conversation you're having with ChatGPT, scroll down that same place, that same icon here, to tap on it, and your screen recorder is already on. What to keep mute right now. My screen recorder is currently on, and I'm going to tap on play for this to actually voice over or to read this my narration or my narrator's script.
Tone. You ever wonder if the sea keeps secrets? Zara Onuoha did. At 16, she lived in the quiet coastal town of Marula, spending her evenings watching.
Guys, I have successfully recorded the voice, like it has read my script. So I've successfully recorded that. So what I'm going to do next is that we need to now edit this which we have just recorded. So you can use any editing tool. I usually use InShot. Yes, you can use CapCut or any editing tool at all. So once you tap on video, you can see new, tap on that. This is the video which recorded our AI voice narration. Hope you get this is it right here. So I'm going to tap on that. So once I've tapped on that, you can see I've already selected it. So tap on good. Right, you can see that this is the recording of that particular voice. Let me play it so that you guys are going to see.
Yeah. Here's a rewritten version of your story, The Compass of the...
So by now, you must have downloaded the image or the video which you want to use an AI voice to voice over. So since I'm using InShot, what you have to do is that you have to first of all tap on... So it depends on like the format you are using, if it's YouTube Short or YouTube landscape. So I'm going to use YouTube landscape using. So I'm going to tap on canvas so as to put it on YouTube landscape. So I'm going to tap on it. So you can see it's YouTube 16:9. So I'm going to tap on that, and yeah, I'm going to like kind of zoom this off. You can reduce the zooming. Doesn't really mean we just need the voice that's going to voice over our image or our video. So I'm going to just first of all edit this voice. You can see.
Yeah. Here's a rewritten version.
That this particular voice is kind of low, so I have to first of all like increase the volume, right? So I've already highlighted it. As you can see, it's already highlighted with this white border. So I'm going to tap on volume. You can see volume right here. Tap on that, increase the volume up to 200. That's the max. So you can see where it writes denoise. Tap on denoise so that it would have a better sound. So I'll tap on denoise. You see this option right here. You can actually tap on that. I don't want to mention it. You can actually tap on that. So I'll tap on it. This has actually separated from the visual. You can see it. This is it right here. So once I've already done this, I can now edit this audio properly. So make sure you highlight on the audio. How to know if the audio is highlighted is this white border. So it's currently highlighted. Like to make this voice to sound better, so I'm going to tap on some options that here. You can increase the bass, you can reduce it, the treble. You can also increase or lower the treble. You can make it more vocal. Any option at all. Just pick any option, listen to how it sounds. The voice is already too like strong, so I'm just going to leave it at increasing the treble. What we have to do next is to upload in our image or our video which we want this voice to voice over. So since I already uploaded this one first. So how to add that second one is to tap on PIP, this very option here. So that's like overlaying it, you get me? So I'm going to tap on pictures so that I'm going to upload in my image, upload all the images, and then I'll be like listening to know the right image to put at each of the voiceover. So just drag this so that it should fill this space, you get me?
The
So
compass of the Forgotten Isles. You ever wonder if the sea keeps secrets? Zara Onuoha did. At 16, she lived in the quiet coastal town of Marula, spending her evenings watching waves crash against the rocks, always thinking about her father, the explorer. One morning, everything changed. A dusty wooden box arrived for her. No name, no explanation. Inside, a broken compass, an old pirate-style map, and a note written in her father's handwriting. If you found this, follow the storm. The truth lies beyond the fog. It didn't make sense, but it felt real, like her father was reaching out from somewhere far away. So she made a choice. She fixed up his old boat, packed what she could carry, and set